Good evening, everyone. Today you are having a look at Grundig RTV 801 HiFi stereo radio amplifier. It was made in Germany by Grundig. It started production in 1973, and they keep on producing till 1976. And those were sold with a matching speaker also, and was quite popular. And you see, this is the off, and then you have long wave, medium wave, short wave, and you have FM, and you have a mono also. And you also can play back the phono graph and the tape recorder by using this one. So this is for the tape auxiliary in, and this is for the phono to input. I'll show you, of course, on the back side the input. You see, this light is for the stereo display. When we move, it switch off when it's tuned. And this is a very beautiful signal meter. Yeah, it doesn't have any more backlight, you see. And very nice dial. Push buttons here for the band and the features and the tuning knob. On the top you have a preset. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 preset for the FM stations, which you can tune basically by moving them. I'll demonstrate it. And when you select this one, and there's the automatic frequency tuning activates, and the main dial activates basically. And here you have a balance, you have a bass, treble, and the volume control. And here you have the old kind of headphone, you can see. The radio is not in a top shape. You see, those buttons are broken. So it has been very mistreated, and this has been dispatched by one of my regular viewer of my channel from Germany, Cologne. So he contacted me and he said that there is some radio from his grandpa staying in the store, and he would like me to make a video about it. He told me, he sent me the pictures, because all those buttons are broken. He doesn't know if it's working or not, but he thought that if I can make a video, so that how that piece of equipment will preserve, and so does the memory of his grandpa. So because of that, I asked him, okay, send it to me, I'll do a nice video about it. And of course, I mean, in this condition, this is not something that somebody keep as a in a collection. Though it, if you see on the eBay and other sources, this same model is available. It's been sold 150 to 200 euros somewhere, a different price range. But since you know, these knobs are broken, so they are literally broken. They are not just taken out, but they are broken. So there is no way that we can plug another knob on them, because they won't fix. Only the thing which we can repair to change the variable resistor sliding one, if we are lucky to find on that same size and same impedance, then it can be done. But I can imagine it will be a lot of work. Also, those will be hard to find, and I don't think it's worth to do it. And other thing is that variable capacitor can be open, and then you take the lead out and try to research on the internet. If we can find the dimension, then we can print those lead, and we just place inside the variable capacitor. It will work, and then you choose any other sort of modular knobs on them. Then it might look much better than this. And here also, this one you see is also broken down there. This push button for the preset number 7. So this is also hard to find. Lamp still you can find on eBay, this kind of lamp. These are not LED, these are the lamps. Mostly they work on 6-volt DC or AC also, so that can be replaced. Otherwise it's in a good shape. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna offer it to any of my viewer on the channel. Whoever send me first email and send me the shipping cost, I send this radio for free. And yeah, if I don't get any response for 2-3 weeks, then of course I'll try to get rid of and just donate it to the local thrift shop, or just throw it away. It's a pity. I mean, it's still in working order. You see, excellent quality. It has a good amplifier, PNP germanium based transistor in the output, and it does push 20 to 25 watt output, and it can be a good amplifier. If you feed the phonograph, you can have a very good nice sound about it. Maybe we can try to play a CD on it to see how it like, but keep in the mind you have to deal with the variable resistors and the buttons, or if you just use like that while I'm using, if you are okay with it, and it's also good. But still the contact cleaner job is there to clean. You see they are cracking, you hear? So it need a cleaning job also. Yeah, but it can be a nice project for anyone. I have almost 42,000 subscribers and large numbers of viewers on my channel. Anybody just shout out, send me an email. Email address is in my channel if you want it, and tell me your address. Then I can calculate on the DHL or the local shipping cost. Then I tell you, send me the label, I pack and I send it to you so you can enjoy it. Let's do more taste on that. So this was the FM, we were doing it, and if we use like this preset, then you can choose with this. You see, it has a good sound. This is a preset 2. It has an excellent sound quality. All preset are working, and radio does sound very well on the FM. Of course, we check on the shortwave. This is the shortwave. I did not put a big antenna, it's just a piece of wire connected to antenna. It's able to receive some station on shortwave. Receiving very nicely on shortwave. Signal meter is working perfectly. If the light is fixed, should be very beautiful display. Radio China. It's receiving very nicely on the shortwave, by the way. Maybe this knob has to be also replaced. You see the corner is broken. Any other flywheel, weighted knob would be nice. So it can be a nice project for somebody. Very nice sound on shortwave. Medium wave, long wave should be very noisy. Let's try it, because I live in the urban setting. Long wave also the same. And here is the back side. You see you have a heat sink. Then you have also the speaker out. These are old connector. They use Philips and Grundig in the past. You have voltage selector there, and here you have input for the tape, and this for the gramophone, and here you have antenna for FM and AM. I hope you like it, and if any of my viewer would like to acquire this radio, please drop me email as soon as possible, so I can just send it away. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye bye.